Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of beginner simple wood projects design ideas that turn creativity into income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Starting simple wood projects as a beginner can be one of the most rewarding and practical ways to turn creative curiosity into consistent income, because woodworking uniquely combines hands-on satisfaction, everyday usefulness, and strong market demand in a way that few other crafts can match. And for newcomers, the journey does not begin with complex furniture or expensive tools, but with approachable, thoughtfully designed projects that build confidence while quietly laying the foundation for a sustainable creative business. At the heart of beginner-friendly woodworking is the understanding that simplicity is not a limitation but a strength, because simple projects allow the maker to focus on mastering fundamental skills such as measuring accurately, making clean cuts, sanding thoughtfully, and applying finishes evenly. And these skills, once refined, become the backbone of every future build, whether for personal use or for sale. When a beginner approaches woodworking with the intention of eventual income, the mindset shifts from experimentation alone to purposeful creation, where each project is designed not just to practice, but to solve a real problem or meet a common need. And this alignment with function is what makes simple wood projects particularly powerful in the marketplace, as customers are consistently drawn to items that are both beautiful and useful. As beginners learn to work with affordable materials such as softwoods, reclaimed boards, or offcuts, they discover how to maximize value through careful selection, thoughtful design, and attention to detail. Realizing that a modest piece of wood can be transformed into something meaningful when treated with respect and intention, and this discovery fosters both creativity and business awareness from the very beginning. The emotional appeal of simple wooden items plays a crucial role in their income potential, because handmade objects carry warmth, authenticity, and a sense of care that mass-produced goods cannot replicate. And when a beginner creates a small shelf, a tray, a stool, or a decorative wall piece, they are not just shaping wood but offering an object that can become part of someone's daily life. And this emotional connection often motivates buyers to support handmade work even when alternatives exist. Consistency becomes a key concept early in the process, as turning creativity into income requires learning how to repeat a design reliably while maintaining quality, and simple projects are ideal for this, because they can be recreated with minimal variation, allowing beginners to refine their workflow, reduce mistakes, and gradually increase efficiency without feeling overwhelmed. And over time, this repetition builds both skill and confidence, transforming uncertainty into competence. As skills improve, beginners naturally start to notice which projects resonate most with others, whether through feedback from friends, family, or early customers. And paying attention to this response helps guide creative direction, encouraging the maker to focus on designs that generate interest and demand. And this responsiveness to the market is one of the most important habits for building consistent income, because success often comes not from making everything possible, but from making the right things well. Pricing, often an intimidating aspect for beginners, becomes more approachable when simple projects are viewed as valuable not for their size, but for their craftsmanship, functionality, and story. And learning to price work fairly from the start teaches beginners to respect their time and skill, reinforcing the idea that creativity has economic worth, which is essential for long-term sustainability. As production becomes more comfortable, the beginner transitions from occasional making to intentional creating, setting small goals, planning projects in advance, and managing time in a way that supports both learning and output. And this structure helps transform woodworking from a sporadic hobby into a reliable routine, which is necessary for consistent income. The process also encourages beginners to develop a personal style, even within simple designs, as choices in wood type, proportions, finishes, and subtle details begin to reflect individual taste. And this emerging identity becomes a quiet but powerful differentiator in the market, allowing handmade work to stand out without unnecessary complexity. Selling simple wood projects also teaches beginners valuable lessons about communication and presentation, as how a piece is described, photographed, and shared can significantly influence its perceived value, and learning to tell the story of how something was made, why certain materials were chosen, and how it can be used helps build trust and emotional connection with buyers, further supporting consistent sales. Challenges are inevitable in this journey, from early mistakes to slow periods of demand. But these challenges are not setbacks so much as part of the learning curve, teaching patience, problem-solving, and resilience, qualities that are as important in business as they are in craftsmanship. Over time, as skills deepen and processes become more efficient, beginners often find themselves capable of producing more in less time, which opens opportunities to expand offerings, accept custom work, or increase production without sacrificing quality. And this gradual growth ensures that income increases sustainably rather than through burnout. Ultimately, starting simple wood projects as a beginner is not just about learning to work with wood, but about learning to think like a maker and an entrepreneur at the same time, balancing creativity with practicality, passion with discipline, and artistry with purpose, and by embracing simplicity. Focusing on consistency and valuing the emotional and functional impact of handmade objects, beginners can transform their early creative efforts into a dependable source of income, proving that with patience, intention, and steady practice, even the simplest wooden projects can become the foundation of a fulfilling and financially sustainable creative path. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beginner simple wood projects design ideas that turn creativity into income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.